sharing Java exception related video. So this is very important. Sometime when we are doing programs, so in that condition we are facing lot of exceptions like error, how it's detecting and how we have to be resolved. So for that some functions and like Java exception handling is going on in every programming language. So you have to understand for that. So firstly, what is the Java exception? So when executing Java code, different error can occur like coding error made by the programmer and error due to wrong input or other unforeseeable things. Okay. Sometimes there is a two type of the error, that is we can say is a syntax error and runtime error. So syntax error is like your when you are generally missing any curly brackets or you wrongly prove the data types in any some condition, and also runtime error like you're dividing something must be wrong. So there is a lot of situation occur during your compilation and runtime error. So when an error occurs, so Java will normally stop and generate an error message. Like the technical term for this is Java will throw an exceptions through an error. So Java using the there is a method try and catch, I think you heard from somewhere. So this is try catch method generally going on inside the block of the code where you are using for the combination of both and you are resolving that error. So the try statement allows you to define block of code to be tested for errors while it is being executed. Okay. So the catch statement allows you to define a block of code to be executed if an error occurs in the try block. Okay. So try there is a try and catch block. So try block is called to try to resolve the error, like what's error occurring in your program. So it's generally testing your program in better manner and just putting inside that like what is the error is occurring inside it. After that it's catch is taking the exception, which exception occurring inside your program, and after that just handling that situation in perfect way. So this is the simplest program about it. So we can say here this is the subject. So public is also subject. So public class main int static void main function, and I created a variable inside that one array that inside that I put 1 2 3 variable inside it variables. Okay, and after that I am printing my number 10. So 10 is not present in this array, so it will give the error. So this is your simplest program. I think you can understand it. In second, public that I again using the try and catch block, and for using it I am just resolving that error like int number 1 2 3 system dot printing the my number, but 10 is not available inside this inside this array. So how it's possible? So after that I am it's catching an exception and printing something went wrong. Okay. So next method is your finally generally come after all the try and catch worked on this on the output, and after that it will finally goes out like when nothing is happen inside it the program, and in that condition finally is a finally, like we can understand by the word also the finally, and it will work according that. So public class main public static void main string. So try it's trying that block, and after that just I am putting finally block. If catch will not accept this thing, so finally will work. Finally will work on it like system dot print that the try catch is finished. Okay. Last one concept but not the least, that is a throw keyword. The throw statement allows you to create a custom error. Like the throw statement is used together with an exception type. Like there is a many exception type available in Java, like your arithmetic. This is very important to be interview purpose also, like what is how many exception types occur in that condition. Like we can say arithmetic exception, file not found exception, array index out of bound exceptions, and security exception. I think when you just try to put your code and somehow in any condition you also face these exception when you used in your previous thing and worked on a code. So these generally occur, and sometimes we just forget it, like what is really happening, we are not understanding properly. But it's very important according the exception handling, how much type of exception occurring of it. Okay, so this is the all about basic concept related it. Just brush up it and understand the concept of it. Okay, and for more I will share the short videos with you all, and related some code in betterment, and you can understand from their side also. So if you have any doubts, please ask and comment in the side, and thank you so much.